Ducks are fascinating creatures, known for their distinctive quacking sounds and graceful waddle. But there's a whole lot more to these water-loving birds than meets the eye. First, let's talk about their appearance. Ducks have webbed feet, which help them paddle efficiently in water. Their bills are specially adapted to filter food from the water. Some ducks, like the Mandarin duck, are known for their vibrant and unique plumage, making them a sight to behold. Now, let's dive into the duck's life cycle. Ducks lay their eggs in nests, often built from plants. After about 28 days, the ducklings hatch, ready to join their mother in the water. They are born with a downy coat of fur that keeps them warm and dry. Within a few days, they lose this coat and grow feathers, ready to fly with their mother. Ducks are also known for their migratory habits. Some species, like the mallard, travel thousands of miles each year to find food and suitable breeding grounds. They navigate by following the Earth's magnetic fields, an incredible feat of natural navigation. But what about their diet? Ducks are omnivorous, meaning they eat both plants and meat. They feed on a variety of foods, including aquatic plants, insects, small fish, and even grains. Their bills are specially adapted to filter food from the water, allowing them to strain out small organisms and eat them. Finally, let's talk about the important role ducks play in our ecosystem. They help control the population of insects and small fish, keeping these species in check. Their droppings provide nutrients for plants, supporting the growth of aquatic vegetation. Plus, their nests provide shelter for other small animals. So next time you see a duck waddling by, take a moment to appreciate its incredible adaptations and the vital role it plays in our world. From their fascinating migration patterns to their unique diet, ducks are truly amazing creatures.